I hope you guys had an awesome, restful, long weekend. I'm glad to see you guys all back. So let's get started with calendar time. Alrighty. So yesterday was Monday. That means today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Alrighty. Last month was March. The month is what month are we currently on? April. Good job. January, February, March, April. Good job, guys. Alrighty. Yesterday was April 13th, 2020. What is the date? The date is yes, the date is the 14th. We are on April 14th, 2020. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. Good job, guys. The weather is. Guys, do you mind looking outside your windows and looking at the weather? What do you see? The weather is sunny. Good job. Awesome job, guys. And the temperature is cool. It is nice and chilly outside. You might need a jacket. Let's keep going, guys. Choose a person to dress. Let's pick a person to dress. Awesome. Thank you guys for helping. Okay, so what kind of bottoms do you wear when it's cool outside? Do you wear shorts? No. Good job. You can wear sweatpants. That's a good choice. What kind of top do you wear when the weather is cool? Do you wear a tank top? Oh no, you would freeze. You could wear a long sleeve shirt. Awesome job. What kind of shoes do you wear when it's cool? Okay, tennis shoes. That is an excellent job. Good job. It's a good choice. What kind of hat do you wear when it's cool outside? You can go with no hat. Good job. When there is snow, you can wear a winter hat, but it's only cool. What kind of accessories do you need? No accessories. Awesome job. Do we need any outerwear? We could wear a sweatshirt. Good job, guys. We're all done. So today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. The weather is sunny and cool. Good job, guys. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.